With smart AI tracking, two-way video modes, night vision, and more, the EBO Air 2 Plus is an incredibly versatile robot that's more than just a companion, so let's check out what this thing can do. So here we have the EBO Air 2 Plus, and at heart it's a companion that's going to patrol your home and have conversations with you, but it actually does much more and can be used as a more interactive way to talk to your family when you're not home with the two-way video. You can also use it to keep an eye on your pets or kids, and you can even use it as a home security camera that can check every room. So design-wise, they've opted for this cute pet kind of vibe. When not on video mode, it has these lifelike eyes, which are not only customizable with a few different types and many different colors, but if you move around, he's going to look at you and even follow you. Now it moves around on these two tracks that makes it much more maneuverable, and he can even spin on the spot. The track works well on both hard floor as well as carpet, and it's also got a nice stable design should your pet decide to play with it. Now in terms of features, you can of course manually move him around with the remote control, or even use preset routes and patrols that you want him to carry out automatically, and you can also have him follow a human or a pet. Now for this video, I won't be doing too much with the pet function, as I've got a Dachshund and he pretty much attacks everything from the post to the robot vacuum cleaner, but one of the best features in my opinion is the two-way video, and in the application you enter call mode, and if say you're away from home and you want to talk to someone, you can drive on up to them and have a conversation, kind of like you're there. Now if you enable the video, it uses your phone selfie camera, and then EBO's eyes change to a video of you, so it's a much more fun and interactive way to have a video call.
So this is a test with me video calling the EBO Air 2 Plus, just to give you guys a good look at what the video and the audio quality is going to be like.
When you're manually controlling EBO, there's also plenty of skills that you can use which are auto actions, and you can pick from movements and sounds. So here's all of the movements, and if I just show you a few of them, we've got circle, rotation, swing, figure of 8 and more, and you can choose whether he does this just once or he can continually loop these actions for 3 minutes. Now you can also add sounds like cat and dog noises while he's doing them, so we'll just check out some sound samples now. If you're in manual mode, you can also set it to find your pet, and again you can pick some sounds from the cat and dogs to encourage your pet to come over to EBO as he searches for them. So of course this remote control function alone means you can find your kids, your pets, or maybe even just have a look around your home and make sure everything's okay if you're on holiday or at work. You can also set routes from the charging dock, so you manually take EBO through the route of your home, the one that you want it to take in future, and then you can either manually activate this route from within the app, or you can even schedule days and times for him to make these patrols, and it'll also record photos and videos of the events. Now when viewing the live video feed, we've also got the option to make EBO return to the charger or start tracking humans or pets in the home, and thanks to its 360-degree smart rotation, it's going to lock onto the objects, people or pets, and keep them perfectly in frame, and you can set it into cruise mode or activate the skills from here as well. Now we've got the option to take a screenshot, start recording a video, enable or disable the microphone as well as the sound, and then finally you can choose the video resolution and select between 3K, high definition or standard definition. Now the camera itself delivers a 3K 137-degree wide-angle view, and as you can see it allows for plenty of visibility and it makes navigation nice and easy. Now on the main screen, there's also a button to send EBO back to the charger, as well as a speed adjustment if you want him to move around faster or slower. And there's even a desktop mode if you want EBO to stop moving around if you're just going to place him on your desk. Now in the call section, you just press video call or voice call to get started, and under video you can either take a photo or video manually, adjust the display settings from standard, soft or vivid, and you can even manually enable the night vision, but I recommend leaving this on auto as it works well and it switches to the night vision when it gets too dark. Now under event recording, you can also have EBO record when someone's moved, there's a pet detected or any abnormal movement, and you can also customize the notifications that you want with these, and it comes with 32GB of internal storage and a 32GB SD card included, but it does support up to 256GB SD cards, and there's even cloud storage available for those of you that prefer that, and there's also a 7-day free trial to test it out. Now, EBO can easily be shared with family or friends that you want to have access, and this means that they can also talk to you if they decide to see what you're up to, and in the Me section, you can add as many people as you wish. Now, in EBO settings, you can select from all of these different eyes and colors, and also disable the eyes from following people if you don't want it to do that. And you can also have a time theme if you don't want to have eyes on the front, and you can even upload your own custom images to use. Now, you can add alarms so that EBO wakes you up, and then we've got plenty more settings to control things like the volume, storage, privacy settings, and more. Now, if it's just you or your kids playing with EBO, you can also press the AI button on top to have a conversation with EBO, making it a home companion as well. It uses AI to have a fluid conversation, and you can just keep talking to it about literally anything for as long as you want, or even ask it some questions, so we'll just take a look at how that works now. Hi EBO, what are you doing today?
Hey there, just rolling around, waiting to brighten someone's day. What about you? Got any fun plans?
No, just filming you for a video.
Oh, a video starring yours truly? I'm ready for my close-up. Just remember, I don't have my own movie trailer yet. What's the video about?
It's a review of you.
A review? Huh. I hope it's more thumbs up than thumbs down like a classic internet meme.
Now, we've also got a parrot mode that's going to repeat whatever you say, and there's also plenty of customizations you can choose for the voice changer from this list here, so we'll just take a look at that now. Hello EBO, what are you doing?
Hello EBO, what are you doing?
Hello EBO, repeat what I'm saying.
Hello EBO, repeat what I'm saying.
So in a nutshell, the EBO Air 2 Plus is a lifelike companion, it's a security camera, it's a pet or child entertainer and more, and it's great that they've packed all of this into this tiny form factor, which not only has its own lease of life, but it's also really small and it doesn't take up much space while still being able to maneuver around easily. When it comes to the unboxing, it comes in this packaging here. If we open it up, we first get the manual and the warranty card. Next up, we've got the power plug for the charging station. Next, we've got the EBO Air 2 Plus, and as you can see, I've got the grey version here, but it's also available in white or purple. And then finally, we've got its charging dock. So overall, it's an impressive companion robot and does what it says on the tin with lots of fun features and also lots more versatile ones like its patrolling and AI tracking modes that allow you to check on your home. The talking feature with video just adds a more personal touch, and if you're away from home, it could be easier and faster to just talk to a family member through your EBO. And of course, if you're on holiday or something, being able to follow your pets around lets you keep an eye on them while you're away. Now, of course, for those of you that want to check out the EBO Air 2 Plus and grab yours today, I placed the link down in the description below so you can go ahead and grab one now. And hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.